Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to crop into a circle in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To crop an image into a circle in Canva, you can simply use the frame feature, which makes it easy to create circular images. Once you are logged into your account, you can go to the create a design if you haven't already, or open an existing project or design that you're working with. In my case, I'm going to use the YouTube thumbnails because after recording this video, I'm going to upload the file directly to our GPLAF's YouTube channel. Now, this is basically how you can create how to crop into a circle in Canva. All right. Now go to the elements right here and go to the frame. All right. Obviously, go to the circle frame. If you can't, click on the see all. Now, it doesn't make any sense right now, but if you hover your circle image here, all right. And for example, I'm going to be dragging this image into the circle. You see that? The image has been added to the circle, cropping it to the circle position. I'm going to undo that right now. All right. Instead, I'm going to create a new page wherein we can experiment. All right. I'm going to make it like something like this, like two circular frames right here. I'm gonna make it that they overlap. Now you can drag photos on the left side. For example, I'm gonna be dragging this cute dogs or this Halloween right here. And on the video side, I'm going to add a video for Halloween as well. Play on video. Make sure that we are play the video right here. Now, this method is perfect for creating profile pictures, maybe circular logos, or any design where you want to display an image into a circular shape. Of course, you have the option to adjust the thickness and color of the border to suit your design, all right? You have all of these. I'm going to click on close. Here, you have the edit option wherein you can go to the border style right here. You can add similarly to this if you wanted. Border style, and of course you can add more as you go along. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.